Hi, my name is Kuljit Singh. I am a Delhi-based theatre artist. I am a part of Atelier Theatre, which is an organization working in the domain of theatre and performing arts since 2004. I'm an actor, director, writer, and take care of Atelier. Uh, for me, oneness starts with the absence of the other. When the other is not there, uh, you are in a state which could be the state of oneness because there is no other. Other is being created um, because of social, economic, political reasons in order to control. I mean, if you look deeper into the social fabric, political fabric, and economic fabric of the society you live in, you'll be able to understand that the other is a creation of a deliberate creation of ours in order to control. So there is a kind of power equation between self and the other. But the idea of oneness, ikyumkar, is when there is no other. Other brings dvaita, dilemma, duality. Oneness believes in just one. And that's where I think Baba Nanak starts his first poem, Ikyumkar. And he believes that it's all about one. It's all about oneness. And absence of other is that oneness. For me, it's the nucleus of my work, wherein people, individuals, artists from different socio-economic background come together, rehearse on a given text. Technicians who do their own bit. Uh, Over 40 days, you rehearse on a text, and then one fine day you perform, wherein every person is doing his or her own bit in order to create one performance. As an artist, as theatre artists, we wait for that day. Those 40 days of preparation or 45 days of preparation is meant for that one day of performance. And the kind of energies which they invest, whether it's an artist who's doing music, or an artist who's taking the lines, or the lights person who's making sure that you are well lit, or the sounds person who's ensuring that your voice is not being sort of dominated by the recorded sounds. They all come together to the point that somebody who's standing in the wings, the backstage person, they all work for something in common, and that is the performance. As a theatre person, I believe that oneness for me is that day of performance for which we rehearse for 40-45 days long schedule. And as one of my theatre teachers said, you would be performing as good as you would be rehearsing. So just imagine if you are actually performing for, you're rehearsing for that one day of performance, how important it is to be one during the course of those rehearsals. So you are one from day one till the day when you perform that oneness. So I'd been informed that voice is uh, looking for artworks uh, from different varied fields of art, which would become a part of a book which they are conceptualizing, in which the idea of oneness is being looked at as a plural idea, and that idea which we all are using from our own daily lives. It would be great if you find that oneness, the concept of oneness in your work, and share it with Team Voice, and they plan to create it into a beautiful book. Who knows? Your work can help several other artists to understand what oneness is in your life, in their life, in our life.